As usual, somebody showed up late. Come on, Dan! All right. Break time, huh? That was badass! Yeah! Little Dan Jackson in me.
And it didn't split my tire. My tire's probably old, yeah. I did some. It might be not fixable.
Get it back.
All right, boys, watch this one beat up. All you need is a little air compressor. This works the best. Cha-cha-cha. Let that sit for a little bit, then put some stands in there. She'll be ready to rip. Boom!